Hey guys, it's Crypto Funded here. On this brief video, I'm going to show you how to start with TradingView, setting up your charts, and if you're a beginner, signing up and getting started to trade. So let's get started right away. Here I'm on TradingView.com. Here's the main hub of the platform. At the top right, you can see sign in and start free trial. I'm going to go to sign in. If you don't have an account, here's where you sign up. Using one of these, I'm gonna log in with Facebook. Now that I'm logged in, I can go straight to the charts. That's the main focus of this video. Bitcoin is dumping right now, it's no problem. Let's click with the right button and click on settings. Here you can see your settings of your chart. On body, I put this color again. On the red candles, the down candles, I use this color. Here are my stats if you want to copy. And you can also save them down here. Template, save as, mine are already saved down here. White, for example. Make sure you don't have grid lines. You do this with the grid lines so they go away. Click on OK. Now that we have this clean chart going on, we can start getting into the tools you're going to need for technical analysis. The tools that I use mostly are trend lines. Let's get started drawing a trend line in here. So this looks like a valid trend line. It's touching once here, secondly here, third time here, and fourth time here holding. So it's still valid. So we still have this support trend line going up, ascending trend line. That I like to draw are not too inclined, so they don't break that easily and are valid for more than 3 days and 3 touches. Knowing that, you can also change the color here. I'll do black for now. Let's draw a resistance trend line going up from the resistance points somewhere like here. So we get 3 taps, one here, second here, and third here. Okay, nice. Now that we have this huge zone that we're in, we can either look for a trade breaking up here or trade breaking down here. That's just one confluence, breaking a trend line up or down, break down or break out. Let's go ahead and put some more confluences in this chart when we're in a downtrend. So this is the Fib Retracement Tool right here. Fib Retracement. Want to fib the top of the leg to the bottom of the leg like this. Look for short opportunities when one of these levels are tapped. For example, we use this brush tool. We came down here, boom, 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 boom. That's our fib leg. So now that we fib this leg, want to look for a little retracement because the market doesn't always go down. It has ups and downs as we go down. So we want to look for this retracement like we had here. It didn't respect the 38.2, which is fine. It will probably respect the next level, and if not, the next level. So as we can see here on the 50%, we did not break it, did not even go to the 0%, which is here of this leg, which is kind of bullish. So you would be cautious to get in sells again. My fib configurations are these. I do not extend the lines. I do not use the trend line, and I use the levels line as dashed. Here are the colors I use for the golden pocket, for the 78.6, 50%. These are the only levels that I look. Let's get onto support and resistance zones. Draw the support and resistance zones with rectangles or levels you choose. I like to do both when it is a major zone or level. Also up here, you can highlight the time frames you want to use. So I like to use all of these time frames that are highlighted here. We're going to look at this chart, see what zones are really respected in price. So a lot of supply or a lot of demand, basically support and resistance, where a lot of people are looking to sell their coins or buy their coins at. Here we have a zone, as you can see, the top of 2018 on this chart, and then we can extend right. This zone was very respected, kind of rejected here for a while, then came and broke and went parabolic in 2019. Here we also respected having a little bit of demand and down, false break down here, of course, and then came straight back up and down again. And as we came along, this zone was very, very important. So we can also highlight the zone on its corners like this. so it catches a little bit more of our attention as it is an important zone. We can also add here a important level like this and adjust our zone to the middle of it. So as you can see, we have this middle range level rectangle here that tells us that basically when price comes to this place, it can either reject or act as support. So you want to really pay attention to these levels, like this one here, 10,500, 400. It tapped 3 times, so it's now let's go into indicators. Your indicators will be up here, so you click here on indicators. Okay, we just go with the single moving average. I'm going to use the 50 on this one with a gray color. We can see that the 50 moving average acts as dynamic support and resistance, which is a moving support and resistance. Here, as you can see, bounced perfectly. Every time that we're below it, it acts as resistance. Every time we're above it, it acts as support. Like you see here on today's move, it's this year's move has been quite a nice move. We've been on a crazy rally with the stock market as well. So let's see where this goes. I am personally bullish. I wasn't biased today. I got stopped out on this dump that we recently had, but it's fine. On any time frame you change, it's going to act as a different dynamic support and resistance. The higher the time frame it is, the more important this dynamic support and resistance are. So be cautious with that. You always want to look at multiple time frames. I use it on the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, and 4 hour, 1 hour, 30-minute. That's it. If you have any questions, you want to learn how to invest and trade on this market, Bitcoin is here for the long term. It is not going to zero for sure. And drop a like and comment below if you like this video, and see you on the next one. Bye.